So today we are installing 2 units of the new PageWide machine at our client's place. It's going to be interesting to see how we remove the pallets and get it ready for printing. Alright, so we are now welcoming the arrival of the 2 machines, 2 PageWide machines which are located inside this truck. So behind me you can see the extent of the items that we are delivering. This is quite a fair bit of things that are being sent today. The 2 PageWides, the stacker, the drawer, all of those things. Alright, so the first machine is being put into position. Alright, so here comes machine number 2. We unloaded off the truck. As you can see behind, there is the stackers and the drawers still waiting to be unloaded. Alright, so here we are at the heart of the action. We are preparing to remove the machine from its rollers. So here our engineers are working feverishly to get the machine out of its pallet. Yeah, it's getting ready for rolling it down.
Careful the drawer.
So here we go, moving into this row corridors and into its location. I 2-time camera I mentioned, no?
Dude, you don't want to put a finger inside.
First machine is now in position, so they'll do machine number 2 now. Okay, so now we are uncrating the second machine over here with my guys. Okay, so they are here busy doing the second unboxing. Alright, so now we are moving into the second machine. Second machine is now entering the premises. So we're beginning the installation process at our client's place, removing all the safety tags which are inside here. These are the print head systems. So now we're preparing to proceed with the drawer to the location. This is what the drawer looks like. Here we go. So we have just removed the boxes for the high capacity stacker. This is what it looks like when it's unassembled. So the machines are going through the pre-print cycle, which is preparing the purging the print heads. We have them here. This one we've just started the process, and this one is almost done with the process. So we have already completed the first machine. We are just now installing the upgrade. So we've now completed the first print in the printer, and it's out. Yeah. So this is day 2, and we are now assembling the second high capacity stacker. We have now completed the setup and installation of the 2 new HP XL 5200s with the high capacity stacker. That's one, and then that's the other one. So the users are really happy with the output results as well as the productivity increase that they are getting with these 2 new systems. If you want to learn more about PageWide technologies, please contact us today and we'll be happy to help you out.